Welcome to iPacky. In this video we will show instructions of how to use the iPacky dashboard order report and statistics. Select Reports. This screen shows statistics and details about packing and orders. It will give you statistics for a period range, down to details on an individual packer. Click on the Go button. Select the Users drop-down. Here you see the users. Select the Detail drop-down. Here you can select the type. Here you see the period summary. The time it took to pack the order. Who packed it. The number of lines and items on the order. Scan time per item on the order. If there's a packer's note on the order. This shows the number of deviations on the order. By deviation, we mean the deviations from the norm, which are correctly scanned items with a barcode scanner. Click on an order to view the details of the order. Here you see the order and order checking details. This information is very useful if, for example, a customer calls and claims they did not get all the items they ordered. Shows if any incorrect scans. This is information only since the order check cannot be completed unless all items are scanned correctly. But it can be useful to notice if a large number of items are incorrectly scanned first. This shows a deviation. The item was not scanned with a barcode scanner. Instead, the number of scans were manually entered. This shows a deviation. The item was not scanned with a barcode scanner. Instead, the SKU was entered. Click to edit the note that the customer put on the order. Only available if this has been allowed in settings. Click to edit the packer's note. If Deny of SKU Enter and Scan Quantity Enter has been selected in settings, a user with supervisor or administrator role can allow this for this order. Click to open this order in Shopify. This requires that the user has access to Shopify. The screen is also available everywhere who has an eye icon. For example, in the picking list and order list overview. Click on the Close button, or the X in the top right corner to close this order view. Thank you for watching. More instruction videos are available at our website, www.ipacky.com.